students, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to create our database. So before we do that, we need to turn on these first two modules within XAMPP, Apache and MySQL. Okay, so once that's on, just in case your Apache isn't turning green, make sure that your Skype is completely turned off, because I think they share the same port. So if you've done that and you are in green, just simply come to your browser and type localhost and press enter. Now you should get this screen. Now click on phpmyadmin. Wonderful. Now, in order for us to create our database that is going to hold, of course, all our data in our website, it's quite simple. All we need to do is just to click on New and then give it a name. For this, I'm just going to call it My Site and click on Create. Boom, we're done. And that's how simple it is to create a database.